I'm here in Puerto Rico, PR as the locals call it, on Ashford Avenue. This is kind of like a hotel row where all the tourists come. You're gonna find all kinds of restaurants down here. But can you find yourself a real deal Puerto Rican restaurant serving meals like Grandma made? You will right here. This is Orozco's.
Beef empanadas.
From 1 to 10, it's a 10.
Carne frita ready.
Caribbean-style Puerto Rican cuisine. Spicy, but not hot.
I always pass by and say, I gotta go to this place. This is Orozco.
It's like soul food.
And this food definitely runs deep in the soul of owner Jaime Orozco, who runs this spot along with his wife, Maria, and learned the tricks of the trade from his late father. Your dad was a restaurateur.
Yes. I started working with him, and I was studying computer engineering, and I realized that my life was here. So I used to have a restaurant down the block for 30 years. He owns this place, and I took a partnership with him. And we built this from ground to the top, and I tried to keep it as a home cooking, as close as we can. Shrimp empanadas ready?
Shrimp empanadas are my favorite. I love seafood.
And then if you want some little heat, you put some of the spicy sauce on top also.
What's up next?
Shrimp empanadas.
Another one of the staples here.
For sure. We're gonna do some of the Creole sauce, green pepper.
Any oil, anything?
No, just dry.
Nada.
Onions, tomate, vino blanco de cocinar.
Cooking wine, got it?
Adobo, chicken base,
Oregano.
sazón con achote. The red is the achote.
From the annatto seed.
Garlic,
Epazote.
recao,
Recao. Thought I had it.
and tomato paste.
Pate de tomate.
Pasta.
Pasta.
Pasta de tomate.
I'm trying, folks.
And then we put some water. Once it's in the boiling, we put some cornstarch and water just to thicken it a little bit.
Use that to cook the shrimp. What about the hot sauce?
Oh, let's do it. That's right away.
Hot sauce in Puerto Rico?
Yes, there's not any hot sauce.
Dude, you're telling me.
It's Orozco's hot sauce. Red chili flakes, garlic paste, cooking wine,
Sazon.
sazon,
Con achote.
achote. You got that right. Spanish paprika,
Chili powder or...
chili powder,
Okay. Pickled jalapenos.
cayenne liquid.
Cayenne liquid,
Cayenne liquid.
which is hot sauce.
Yes.
That's wing sauce. Get some of that in your eye. Yeah, that's right. Look in there. We cook this down.
Simmer.
All right.
And then we pour in the bottles directly.
Now we build the empanada.
Shrimps
That have been chopped up a little.
with a little wine. Put some Creole sauce already done. We're gonna use the dough. Then we put the shrimps in the middle. Put some cheese.
That's it?
You want more cheese? No problem.
The tricolored bell peppers.
And then we close it all over.
That's it?
No.
There's more. Let me see if he gets that fold right.
And then we deep fry it for 4 to 5 minutes.
Let's see it.
The shrimp empanadas, our homemade hot sauce, cilantro.
That's on point. The Creole shrimp, you didn't overcook them, so they're still nice and tender. The boss of the sauce is the hot sauce. Slamming. Legit, bro. How your pops picked that up?
Yeah.
Dynamite. It's not too spicy. That acid coming in from the pickled jalapenos, you could put that on just about anything. Flip-flop.
Shrimp empanadas, 5 minutes.
I love the shrimp in the inside. It's seasoned, cooked so perfectly.
The kicker is with the pique, the hot sauce.
Yeah, I could easily get in trouble with that.